Hi folks, I just bought an airplane. Not just any airplane, an Ultralight. An Ultralight 103. Come along with me on my journey to become a pilot. You can bank to the left a little bit, yes. By the way, this is my brand new airplane, for me, brand new. It is an Ultralight 103. It was built by Dennis Carley in 2017. And I am the proud new owner of this airplane, and I'm looking forward to having a great time with it. Okay, getting ready to go here. Getting all squared away here. Get our pre-flight functioning here. I'm doing some taxi practice and maybe some high-speed taxi stuff, and just getting familiar with the controls. No? Okay, so we got a pre-flight checklist. We have done the walk around. Right now we've got 3 gallons of gas in the tank. Clear prop. Before you can fly the airplane, you have to learn how to drive it on the ground. Okay, we got a big hill to go over here, so we'll rev it up a bit. Okay, this exercise here is basically staying on the ground. Okay, so on the ground, meaning we're using the rudder pedals here to steer the airplane. And the yoke, which right now I haven't figured out that it's not a steering wheel, but I'm thinking it's a steering wheel. So the yoke basically provides pitch control, and I'm rotating it back and forth here, sort of like a steering wheel, but it changes the ailerons when you do that. On the ground, there's really no effect by that turning the yoke. So the main thing I'm trying to do here is just feel out the controls, the foot pedals, the yoke, the ailerons, the rudder, and get a feel for those portions of the on-ground effect, and that's what we're trying to do here. I have actually made higher speed here. I've compressed some of this stuff so it goes a little faster. It really that's not really naturally that fast, but I was trying to get through the obstacles here on the ground. Okay, so now we're back on the ground, and we're going to think about what we're going to do now, what the next point we're going to do here. Well, that was fun. Got cameras at both ends. Did you guys capture anything back there on those cameras? Huh? Well, that was good job, kids. This is just a little bit of my levity here, so don't mind that. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I appreciate your comments. Until next time, take care. Okay, here my 2 brothers are flying, or actually are steering the airplane around. My older brother there, Wes, and my younger brother, Bill. And they both seem to think I made a good choice on this airplane, and I agree with them on that. In the next video, we'll doing what's called a wheelie. That's getting the nose wheel off the ground and basically going down on just the main gear.